What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be breaking down a 3% cashback credit card. And guys, this is 3% with no limitations. This isn't like a bonus offer credit cards where you only get 3% for a couple months. This is a unlimited 3% cashback card. Okay, so I'm going to be breaking that down here in this video, so stay tuned. What's up, y'all? My name is Tommy, your credit and personal finance coach. If this is your first time on my channel, I'd just like to say welcome. Typically, I'm going to be talking about anything related to credit and personal finance. So if you're ever interested in improving your credit and achieving your financial goals, then be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's go ahead and jump into the content. Now I don't plan on this video taking too long. What I'm going to do is I want to jump into the stats of the card and then talk more about what you have to do to actually be able to get accepted for this card. All right, y'all, so guys, the card we're actually gonna be talking about today is the Visa Signature Credit Card from AOD Credit Union. So what I'll do at the end of the video is I'll tell you guys how you guys can actually qualify to be a member of this credit union. But first off, in terms of the stats, right off the bat, one thing that you'll notice is that they actually have a really low APR on the credit card. The APR can go as low as 7.5%, which is great for people who need the card. Maybe you got to put a large purchase on it that you're not going to be able to pay off right away, and you might have to carry it longer than 30 days. So you do have that to go as well. So you're able to take advantage of that credit rate. Another benefit is, guys, there's no annual fees for this card. I don't know about you guys, but that's one thing that I'm really excited for. I've had cards in the past where they had really great benefits or even great bonuses to start off with, but the thing is they had an annual fee. So it almost made it to where, depending on the card, I didn't apply for it at all. Or it was a card where I just felt like I had to really use it to its max potential, which obviously is probably what they want you to do. But I don't know, I prefer cards where they have great benefits and they are no annual fees, right? Just in case I'm in a situation where I don't need to use it as much as I did previously. But the great thing with this card is you don't have to worry about no annual fees, so you don't have to worry about paying an annual fee, and there's no foreign transaction fees, which is great. If you're a type of person who travels or goes on trips, you can carry this card and be able to use it with you as well. Another great thing about this card is if you're approved for this card, you will actually qualify to get at the minimum $5,000 of a credit limit, right? That's the minimum starting point that they have. So they go from 5,000 credit limit up. So you might get 10,000, 20,000, whatever, but you're definitely not gonna get less than 5,000. So that's also another plus. And now the biggest win of this card is the 3% cash back. And guys, this is 3% cash back on any purchases. You know, there's not a lot of cards out there right now that are doing 3%, much less, I mean, I know the city is doing that 2%, but 3% is a game changer. And I think they've kind of done that more than likely to draw business. This is a fairly small credit union, a couple hundred million in assets. So they're really small, but maybe this is something for them to be able to drum up some business. But I think it's very beneficial if you're able to get access to it. Now, before I jump into how to actually qualify for this card, I do want to say, guys, if you're enjoying this type of content, you want me to do more credit card reviews or go hunting for credit cards that you guys might be interested in, then throw a like on this video so I know that I'm heading in the right direction. And also be sure to throw some comments down below telling me what other credit cards you might want me to review as well. Now, in terms of actually qualifying for this card, you do have to be a member of this credit union. Now, there's a few different ways that you can actually join the credit union. The biggest being they're actually by a really big Army Depot. It's actually called it looks like the Anniston Army Depot. So you can either, if you already are by that big army base or Army Depot, you can actually, if you're working at one of the employers that are associated with it, be able to qualify. All you have to do is, I think they're going to ask you for some information related to your employer. You show some proof and then you'll be able to get in easy, right? Now, for the majority of us that aren't living in that area and we still want to try to qualify for this, I was able to find a few other loopholes that you can use to be able to still get membership into that credit union. So what I'll do is I'll put these all in the description down below so you can take a look at them there. But right off the bat, what you can do is you can join, there's something called the Calhoun County, the Calhoun Count Chambers membership. There's a joining fee of, it looks like $90. So you pay $90, you're able to join that membership or that chamber, and then you can use that to parlay it into getting into the credit union. Now, another option is it looks like the United Way of East Central Alabama. You can also join them, and them you have to pay. It looks like there's no fixed amount. I think the way it works with them is you just have to give a certain amount of money, right? So once you give, you're essentially part of the membership, and you're able to, from there, be able to parlay that into, again, the credit union. Then there's the Northeast Alabama Bicycle Association, which is $5 monthly. Or you can do the Purple Martin Conservation Association, which is an annual fee of $35. So those are pretty much your options. You sign up for one of those and then use that to parlay it into the credit union. And really, that's pretty much it when it comes to how you can actually join. What I'll do is periodically I'll look more into it and see if any other new if there's any other new loopholes for you to be able to join into this membership, and I'll just continue to add it down in the description below. So make sure you take a look at the description. If you see any if you by any chance know any other ways, reach out to me and let me know, and I'll add it to the description so other people know that they can use that method to be able to get into the credit union as well. And guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. It was just a quick breakdown of the card and everything, and how you can actually go about joining the membership. Again, guys, if you enjoy content like this, be sure to throw a like on this video, and make sure you comment down below what kind of other videos you'd like to see related to credit. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. So that's gonna be it, guys. I'll see you at the next one.